This is how to change a laptop screen for a Asus model U43F for laptopscreen.com. First, flip the laptop over and remove the battery. Flip it back over. Open the laptop to as far back as it can go. In the corner, there's 3 rubber grommets. Remove each one. Now with a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws in the corners. Now that all 4 screws are removed, simply go through and pop loose. It may be tough to get loose, however you just pry until it comes loose all the way around the entire side of the laptop screen. Now in the bottom part, there's 2 hinges. You want to kind of bend up on the hinge and it pops out. Like so, and sit to the side. Now there are 4 screws in each corner of the display. Remove those 4 screws. Now, take the laptop and lay it back on top of the keypad. You'll see there is a piece of tape that holds the cable in place. Simply peel the tape up and unplug the cable. Looking for the screw. Okay. Now take your new laptop screen, remove the protective covering, and take the cable and replace the cable in the right slot, and then tape it back down. Then pull the display back up into place. Also, prior to replacing the display, make sure all the brackets line up on the new display. Then replace the screws in the slots needed. Okay, now take your protective outside ring and kind of clip the hinges back in by bending them and pushing them down, and go through and kind of pop into place. Like so. And then take your screws and replace your 4 screws. Like so. I'm just going to do 2 right now. And then take your grommets and simply push them back in place. This. The bottom one is a little tougher. And that is how you replace a display on a Asus U43F laptop for laptopscreen.com.